Today, I'm going to walk you through one of our successful Amazon accounts, not just the results, but the system behind those results. This account crossed 4 million in revenue while keeping tacos under 9%. And I am going to show how exactly that was done. As you can see, we crossed almost 4.07 million in sales and total number of units 184,000 plus total number of units that we sold over the last 12 months. So let me show you the system that we built behind that store. So what exactly we achieved? 4.7 million in revenue over last 12 months, 184,000 plus units sold across two categories, and 9% account-wide tacos maintained. So first of all, our primary objective to scale revenue without profit erosion. Second one is maintain advertising efficiency at higher volume. The third one, build growth that remains sustainable long term. So our key reality, revenue growth alone is meaningless if margins declining. True scaling requires control, not aggressive spending. Moving to point number 2, which is related to profit first foundation. So how profit was protected? Unit economics control, a very crucial point. Break-even ACS defined for every core ASIN. Contribution margins monitored before increasing spend. Traffic limited where profitability thresholds were breached. So we build cost structure optimization as well. Landed cost reduced to increase margin buffer. Supplier and logistic efficiency unlocked scale capacity. And lower cost reduced the reliance on paid traffic. And we were very keen on scaling discipline. Demand increased gradually, not forced. Volume growth aligned with margin tolerance. And profitability always dictated scaling speed. So we built a role-based PPC structure here. Our goal for sponsor product is core demand capture and ranking. And for sponsor brands, brand defense and discovery. For sponsor display, retargeting and selective audiences. And we allocate the budget according to the logic. Spend followed performance and intent. Waste traffic aggressively eliminated. We are eliminating lots of the waste traffic. Budget expansion, high to conversion strength. And for conversion optimization, listings optimized before traffic increases. Our product messaging is aligned with search intent. And that's how higher conversion rate, lowered effective cost per sale. And the final point, run the flow to make it real. How scale was controlled. This is basically the sequence that I am going to explain. Fix the unit economics. Optimize the listings. Control PPC spend. Increase traffic. Expand the catalog. And when expanding the catalogs, there are rules that need to be followed. Only complementary SKUs introduced. Shared audience and demand validation required. Low PPC dependency mandatory at launch. At wide tacos stayed stable. Margin improvements absorbed high traffic. Conversion gains reduced the ad cost impact. So scaling was phased, measured, and intentional.